Welcome back to Auto World. Today, we're diving into Lexus's latest masterpiece, the all-new 12th Time 5 Lexus ES 550. If you're a fan of luxury sedans that pack performance, comfort, and cutting-edge tech, you're in for a treat. Let's take a closer look. The 2025 Lexus ES 550 boasts a refreshed design that's both elegant and aggressive. From its redesigned spindle grille to the razor-sharp LED headlights, every detail screams sophistication. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances aesthetics, but also boosts performance. With a choice of 19-inch alloy wheels and stunning new color options like obsidian black and celestial blue, this sedan is guaranteed to turn heads. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that redefines luxury. The ES 550 offers perforated leather seats with ventilation, a 14-way adjustable driver's seat, and an updated ambient lighting system that lets you set the mood. And check this out, a massive 14-inch touchscreen with Lexus's latest interface. It's responsive, intuitive, and pairs seamlessly with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, a premium 17-speaker Mark Levinson sound system delivers concert-like audio. Under the hood, the ES 550 features a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine delivering 302 horsepower. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, this sedan offers a smooth yet exhilarating drive. It's not just about power, though. Lexus has fine-tuned the suspension for enhanced handling, and the optional AWD system ensures confidence in any condition. Plus, the fuel economy, an impressive 31 mpg combined. Safety is paramount with Lexus's Safety System Plus 3.0. The ES 550 comes standard with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new intersection collision alert system. Lexus is truly upped the game with their tech suite, ensuring you're not only comfortable but also safe on every journey. So, there you have it. The 2025 Lexus ES 550. Luxury, performance, and cutting-edge innovation, all wrapped into one stunning package. What do you think? Is this the ultimate luxury sedan for 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon to Auto World for more reviews, comparisons, and all things automotive. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.